In this topic, we are discussing about application of laser. The main application of laser are cutting, welding, hardening, melting, evaporating, photolithography, 3D laser measurement, 3D stereo lithography. Through the graph, we can see the main working of laser are cutting and marking. The welding application of laser. The plastic and polymer welding is possible to use laser to weld transparent plastic to opaque plastic. Clear weld uses absorbing die to joint interface to weld two nominally transparent polymers can even be used for clothing. Laser welding development. Hybrid welding uses combination of arc and laser process, more tolerant to poor fit up. Filter metal can positively modify weld metal. Our performance better than expected for this combination. Remote welding use high beam quality slab and fiber laser coupled to a scanning head to weld in multiple XYZ positions. Laser cutting. When the focused laser beam impinges on the surface of workpiece, the material partly vaporizes. The resulting cutting calf is surrounded by molten materials which is continuously ejected during the cutting process by stream of cutting gas. We are discussing about CO2 lasers. For cutting and welding, the CO2 laser is preferred. The used gas to mix between 4 to 5% of CO2, 3.5% of N2 and 82% of helium. Cuttable are metallic material, plastic, wood and ceramic. The CO2 laser can be used to cut a wide range of different material, for instance, steel and steel alloys, galvanized steel, stainless aluminum, hardened metals or plastic coated steel, as well as titanium, thallium, nickel and alloys of these metals. Laser can also be used for cutting a large number of plastic as well leather, wood, rubbers and other things. The advantages of laser. The main advantages of laser are productivity, means high speed and low cost, very low distortion and metallurgical effect. Automation. The most material can be processed, quality and reliability. Clothes and plastic cutting. Low power CO2 laser machine for cutting these non metals such as plastic cloths and now becoming commonplace. The laser marking, the world's largest laser application, relevant to all sectors. Virtually any materials can be laser marked to produce robust image, text and codes. An example of plastic keypad laser marked. Drilling. What is drilling? The drilling is a material removal process. Hole diameters depend on laser surface. Use of laser in industry. Laser can be used to blast hole in a diamond and hard steel. Laser can cut, drill, weld and remove metal from a surface and perform these operations even a surface in inaccessibility by mechanical method. Laser range finder is used to measure distance to making maps by surveyors. Application of lasers. Lasers are used in communication. In optical fiber communication, laser bandwidth is very high compared to the radio and microwave communication. As it has high bandwidth, more amount of data can be transferred. More channels can be simultaneously transmitted. Lasers are also used for other communication. The main application of diode laser are optical communication. Without diode laser, internet connection is impossible. Lasers are also used in military purposes. Laser beam can be bounced off all targets such as enemy airplane or ship to determine its distance and speed. Laser can serve as a war weapon. High energy lasers are being employed to destroy enemy aircrafts and missiles. Laser is used in a ignite and fusion reaction. The atomic vapors laser isotopes separate process for uranium enrichment. The green light is converted in red orange light for three different wavelengths that absorb only by uranium 235. In daily life, laser is also used in our daily life, such as uh, in barcode reader. Laser are used in CD players to produce short pulse of light used in digital communication. To produce hologram, we use laser. Laser are also used in medical application. A wide application of laser in medical and beauty therapy. Surgical laser remove tumors, making incisions, cosmetic treatment, resurfacing, removal of birthmark, age spot, spider vanish, hair tattoos, etc. Ophthalmology, inner eye surgery in removed cataract, repairing retina, correct nearsightedness, laser repairing retina. When a laser beam projected to tissue, five phenomena occur: reflection, transmission, scattering, re-emission, and absorption. What is photovaporization? With a very high power densities, instead of cooking, laser which quickly heat the tissue to above 100 degrees Celsius. Water within the tissue boils and evaporates. Since 70% of the body tissue is water, the boiling changes the tissue into a gas. This phenomenon is called photovaporization. Selective absorption. The selective absorption occurs when a given color of light is strongly absorbed by one type of tissue, while transmitted by another. Laser pure color is responsible for selective absorption. The main absorbing component of tissues are oxyhemoglobin, melanin, and water. Tattoo can be removed with a variety of laser depending on the presence of inks in the tattoo. Laser in ophthalmology. For cornea and lens, UV light emitted by excimer laser is strongly absorbed by water and proteins, so their energy can be absorbed by transparent cornea and lens, permitting laser surgery on this area. Cataracts. A milky structure in the lens of the eye, photovaporization by using UV laser to remove the opaque region. Correction of myopia. Our focusing of the lens, excimer laser remove the surface of cornea to make it flatter. Operational parameter. For use of laser, we know the this parameter of laser: wavelength of the laser, power, exposure time, spot size, and the power density. This is a simple problem about laser. Calculate the coefficient of stimulated emission for a transmission from an excited state to ground state. The spontaneous emission coefficient is 6.25 into 10 to the power 8, as the difference between energy level is 10.2 electron volt. These are the answer of the given question. You can go through it. Thank you.